Good afternoon. Dear graduates, in the name of our educational community here at Tangaza College, I say congratulations to every one of you. At this very memorable moment, I would like you to know that St. Mary's University of Minnesota, Tangaza College, Christ Teacher Institute for Education, and the Marylon Institute of African Studies are all proud of you and are very happy for your important educational achievement we have all witnessed this morning and this afternoon. Graduates, this is a wonderful day. For each one of you personally, I very well know the struggles some of you went through during the last 4 years. The struggles related to educational and material needs were very real. It's wonderful to see you today, happy and beaming with joy, after courageously overcoming many of those challenges and moving forward with strong hope and unyielding determination. This is a wonderful day not only for you, but also for all those who have supported you materially, intellectually, spiritually, and psychologically, so that you will be able to achieve your educational dreams. Yes, this is a wonderful day too for your future students, whose hearts you will be touching and whose minds you will be teaching. In some, whose lives you will be transforming. Today, you have been reminded of the theme you chose for your class 4 years ago. It reads, "Be prismatic." A very appropriate theme indeed. Graduates, the moment has come for you to put into practice the promise you made 4 years ago. That promise challenges you today to enlighten others as you have been enlightened, to support others as you have been supported. May God grant His wisdom, love, care, and grace so that you will be able to practice and to live your class theme, which aims at transforming society through education. You have been unique in many respects and quite responsible learning members of the CTI educational community. I can say this with a great sincerity, you will be missed. Following, I would like to thank the people who have contributed towards this wonderful celebration we are all witnessing today. Reverend Professor John Maveri, thank you very much for being our main celebrant this morning. Your support to the Institute's and Tangaza College educational endeavors over the many years have simply been a blessing for us in many respects. For this, we say thank you very much, and I would like us to clap for Professor, please. Reverend Father Eusebio Manangbao, we thank you for your presence and the most inspiring homily you gave us this morning. I was thinking I would be that person who Father was praying at his deathbed too, but he didn't tell us what happened and whether he got any money for his congregation. Reverend Father Patrick Rowe, thank you very much for gracing us with your presence and the words of wisdom you gave to our graduates this morning. Thank you. We extend our gratitude to all the priests who celebrated this morning. We extend much appreciation for the presence of Reverend Professor Clement Majawa. Let's give him a hand, please. Dr. Beatrice Churu, we thank you not only for your presence here this morning and this afternoon with us, but also for the quality educational leadership you offer to Tangaza College educational community. We thank you. Of course, the joy of today would not have been possible at all without the hard work of our lecturers. A big thank you to our teachers here at Tangaza College, and particularly to those of Christ Teacher Institute for Education and the Maryknoll Institute of African Studies. This day is a day of great achievement for them as well. May I ask them to stand so that we can give them a big hand. Let's give them a big hand, please. Thank you so much. We thank the Board of Trustees and Governing Council of Tangaza College, the Board of Directors of Christ Teacher Institute for Education and the Maryknoll Institute of African Studies, and the directors and Tangaza College administration in general. Thank you for your presence. We also thank our two special guests from St. Mary's University of Minnesota for traveling all the way from the United States of America to be present with us in this graceful occasion. Let's give them a hand.